Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can pay Disney Plus subscription with Google Play. It's very simple thing to do. For this, first open Disney Plus, then after opening the app go to add credit or debit card. Now add card which is connected to Google Pay. It then go to open your Play Store and log into your account, and from the Play Store, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Then you will see a bunch of options. Here, from here, tap on payment and subscriptions. Now, from here, select subscriptions here. Now here you will see Disney Plus under subscriptions. And what you have to do, just select it, and it will be paid from here for your Disney Plus subscription, and that's it. That's how you can pay Disney Plus with Google Play.